kind of introduction, I would like to introduce our honorable chief guest to the house. Sri Suhas LY is an IAS officer of the 2007 batch of Uttar Pradesh cadre. He is presently serving as District Magistrate of Gautam Budh Nagar. He is an Indian professional para badminton player and silver medalist in SL4 category in Tokyo Paralympics 2020.
We're really honored to have our chief guest here and share his thoughts. And a small point that I would also like to add here is when I said thought processes, the word International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Actually, we need to restart thinking in the sense so-called disabilities, because they open opportunities in so many diverse fields. And all of us who think of ourselves as abled, we should start actually thinking of ourselves as so-called abled. And one of the important part that we'll be doing today is the launch of the PNB Pride CRMD module, which we have specifically developed with focus enhancements to ensure our colleagues with visual impairment that they would be able to work with it with convenience, and they would be able to contribute towards the business development, towards the recovery process, technically towards the collections of SMA 0 and SMA 1.
So on that note, the initiative taken on the technology front is also appreciable, which would go a long way in continuing to have the engagement with the customers. Once again, on behalf of entire PNB Parivar and the bank, I really thank Mr. Suhas for visiting this function today, and he himself is a, you can say, role model for all of us for discharging his duties of a critical responsibility and also putting the flag of our country across the globe in terms of achieving laurels in badminton.
जो मुझे हमेशा मोटिवेट करती है, आई एम श्योर इट वुड मोटिवेट सम ऑफ यू ऑल्सो. वॉच योर थॉट्स, फॉर दैट विल बिकम योर वर्ड्स. वॉच योर वर्ड्स, फॉर दैट विल बिकम योर एक्शन. वॉच योर एक्शन, फॉर दैट विल बिकम योर हैबिट. वॉच योर हैबिट, फॉर दैट विल बिकम योर कैरेक्टर. Watch your character, for that will become your destiny. Watch your thought, watch your destiny, because that will become your destiny. Best of luck, may God bless you, and may God give you all that you wish in your life. Always remember, at 80, when you sip the cup of coffee, you should always think that you have not left anything untried.
My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Ashwini Agarwal, who explained the app which was launched today and his achievements. Thank you very much, Ashwini ji. I thank all the officers, differently abled officers, without whom this function could not have been complete. Lastly, I thank the entire team who has put their efforts to make this function successful. Thank you very much, sir.